Hey, Dr. Roos, how you doing? I just wanted to give you a little update and maybe a little encouragement for after taking exam 1 and that kind of stuff. I noticed a few people missed it. If you miss any exams, don't expect me to open them up the next day so you can take them. I'll probably open it, let you take it. If you miss 2 exams, it's a problem. There's nothing, you're not able to make up 2 exams. So keep that in mind. So I added this Falcon Online. If you have any issues with your computer, uploading, downloading, viewing, listening, I'm making, say, like audio recordings now in the assignment folder, right? I put this little announcement, right? I'll be giving you audio feedback for the assignments, and I can talk about your grade there, what you did on the grade, or maybe how you did on the exam, if you missed things, things are upcoming, and that kind of thing. So if you want to listen to them, I think you have to download them first unless they've changed that, and then you listen to it with your computer. If that's an issue for you, you're not sure how to do that, I can't help you with that. Call these guys, right? They'll explain or see what you need to do on your computer to make that happen. All right, so the average was 75. Which is not real good considering it's an online exam. So I wanted to maybe go over a couple of questions and give you some advice. You're able to use your PowerPoints, except that can be a problem because you may not have enough time to look through everything to find an answer, right? So the more familiar you are with the answer, the better you'll do. You might see these questions again. If you do, it'll be say for a bonus quiz at the end of the semester. But like most people understood the spirochete, there's one slide that describes the spirochete, right? Just that one slide gives you the information. It tells you it's a helical flexible body, structures almost verbatim, and what it says on in the PowerPoint for that. It's in the section 4. So if you didn't understand that this question was found in section 4, you might have difficulty answering it, of course, but keep that in mind. It did pretty well, right? 81% of the people got it right, 22 out of 27, so that's good. And then which of the following is not a component of peptidoglycan? I mean, I've got on the PowerPoint a couple places, I think, peptides, glycan, NAM and NAG, right? They're found in peptidoglycan. This is asking you what is not found, right? It's in, right? If you see it in capital letters, it's because people sometimes fail to miss that. But you see these 3, and they're all part of it. They, all 3 of them can't be correct either, right? That's kind of how I would answer a question like that. Cellulose is found in plant material. So if you can't, I don't know if I mentioned cellulose in the PowerPoint or not, but it's not in peptidoglycan. Those 3 are. Which of the following is not present in the DNA micro, right? DNA has deoxyribose, the other 3 except for ribose, so 80%. That was a pretty good question. Covalent bond between amino acids, so many people got that right. Good. Ribosomes are responsible 100% of, when it says 20 people out of the 27 that took it got that as a random question, right? Not everybody gets these questions. The cell membrane is mostly, right? It's not made of protein. The basis of the cell membrane is phospholipids. Phospholipids is found in all membranes, right? Certain proteins are found in some membranes, but you don't need the proteins to make the membrane, right? They are just part of it. Like there's cholesterol in the membrane. It's not made of cholesterol, right? So there are phospholipids. If you look that up, right? It was the basis of the cell membrane. Okay, but so I want to just give you this quick video and go over a couple of questions and then explain the, you know, that if you miss these exams, right, you know, you can, like, if you miss this exam, I'll probably wait a few weeks, let you make it up or whatever. Might be 3 weeks. You know, if you miss exam 2, maybe I'll wait to the end of the semester before you can make it up, right? It's not going to be a convenient thing for you to do. That's why I do it like that. I expect you to take these on time. And if I curve it, and I might curve this one because of the low score. If you make it up, you will not get a curve. You won't get the points that I've added to everybody else's. So that's another reason. And the option for makeups can be taking a final, a comprehensive final. So at the end of the semester, you may end up, that might be your only option to make up exam 4 if you don't take it on time. So, you know, that's one of the things, you know, I kind of stick to. All right, so hopefully everything's going okay. I'll be looking over the assignments that I haven't graded yet, right? So this is, you know, Monday the 13th, and there's 10 in assignment 2 that I still need, you know, that have been submitted, and so I'm gonna go through them, add audio feedback, and then I may add audio feedback to those that didn't complete assignment 2, so they do get, you know, some feedback, maybe not on that assignment, but on how they're doing in the class. So I could, and I can't put the audio feedback in other spots in the, you know, I can't put it under quizzes, I can't put it under exams. I can only do written feedback there. So I think they're gonna change that at some point. But hopefully you don't mind getting the audio feedback. I think it's easier for me and you just to listen to it. A little more personal. So, all right, keep up the good work.